Hey, this is Brad with Family Handyman. One of the projects we're going to tackle on this camper is to paint the cabinets. Now you can see we've got all the doors removed, and most of those are in really good shape, but there's a few of them that had some pretty bad water damage, and those we're just going to rebuild. Now, to get started painting, we need to do some prep work. So the first thing we're going to do is wipe everything down with TSP to get the grease and gunk off of these things. Then I'm going to fill the old hinge screw holes because the new hinges that we're going to use have a different mounting system. After that, we'll sand everything, and then we'll wipe everything down with tack cloth, and we're ready to prime and paint. So things have changed in here a lot since we were in here last. We've got a fresh coat of paint, everything is nice and bright. All the cabinet doors are painted or rebuilt where necessary. Got some new hardware, nice and modern look to it. New hinges. We kept some of the old hardware like these lid supports to hold the doors open. Cabinets are ready to go. For more information on this camper's journey and more DIY tips and tricks, visit us at familyhandyman.com.